I am Teacher Riha. How are you guys today? Today we are going to an adventure to the outer space. Are you guys excited? Let's learn about the solar system. Come on kids, let's ride a rocket with me and we learn about our solar system.
Before we go to the planets, let's get to know the sun first. Try to look at the sky during daylight. Can you see something shining so bright? Yeah, that is the sun. The sun is a hot ball of glowing gas. It keeps our planet warm enough to live and it gives us light to see. The sun is a star. There are a lot of stars, but the sun is the closest to us. It is the center of the solar system. This is the first planet and the nearest planet to the sun. Do you know what planet this is? It is Mercury. Mercury is a planet that has no atmosphere and gray color. It has no moon and no ring. Clearly, there is no sign of living on this planet. Do you think there is any alien on this planet? Hehehehe. You think first. Okay kids, this is Venus. It is the second planet from the sun. Venus has acidic clouds around it. Do you know that Venus spins backward? Yes, it is spin backward. Also, it is the hottest planet in the solar system. Wait a minute, the hottest? But it is the second planet from the sun. Why?
Did you know that even though Mercury is the closest planet to the sun, Mercury is not the hottest planet in the solar system? Instead, Venus is the hottest planet in our solar system. Why? This is because the carbon dioxide is a greenhouse gas that traps infrared radiation beneath Venus' thick cloud cover. A runaway greenhouse effect what makes Venus even hotter than a Mercury.
This planet seems familiar to you, right? Of course it is. This is the Earth. You are familiar with it because this is the planet that we live in. We can live on the Earth because it has a suitable atmosphere for the living things on the Earth. The Earth also has no ring around it and has only one moon. Yes, just one. The one you see every night is our one and only moon.
Did you know that Malaysia has only one astronaut? He is Datuk Dr. Syah Muzaffar Shukor. He is launched to the International Space Station aboard Soyuz TMA-11 with the expedition of 16 crew on 10 October 2007.
Next, it is the red planet. What is it? It is Mars. Mars has two moons named Phobos and Deimos. It is also the most explored planet. NASA currently has two rovers, that is Curiosity and Perseverance. One lander, which is inside, and one helicopter, Ingenuity, exploring the surface of Mars. Another planet in the solar system is Jupiter. Jupiter is known as the largest planet in the solar system. Although it is the largest planet among other planets, Jupiter is actually a gas giant and has less surface like Earth. Oh yeah, it has 75 moons, yeah? Amazing, isn't it? After Jupiter, we have Saturn. It is the second largest planet after the Jupiter. Saturn is known for its beauty because it has spectacular ring system around it. It has 7 rings with several gaps and divisions between them. Saturn has 53 known moons and additional 29 moons waiting for confirmation, which is total would have 82 moons. Wow, that's amazing. Okay, next. This light blue planet is Uranus. It is the coldest planet. Uranus is known as the sideways planet because they rotate on their side. It has 13 rings and it also the first planet to be found using telescope. The other planet in the solar system is Neptune. Neptune is the blue planet. It has 5 main rings and 4 ring arcs. It also has short day and long year due to its far distance from the sun. There is only one voyage ever sent there, and Neptune cannot support life. The last planet in the solar system is Pluto. Pluto has a rocky core. Pluto is surrounded by a mantle of ice water. It cannot sustain life due to the very cold temperature. Do you think Pluto is really a planet when it is just a mantle of ice water?
Did you know that Pluto is no longer considered as a planet? Yes, Pluto is no longer a planet. Pluto classification as a planet has a history of changes. Since 2006, per the International Astronomical Union planetary criteria, Pluto isn't considered as a planet because it hasn't cleared the neighborhood around the orbit of other objects. However, it does not meet the IAU's criteria for what constitutes as a dwarf planet.
Do you remember when I said the Earth has only one moon? This is it. This is the moon that we always see at night from our window. The moon acts as our natural satellite. Do you know how it looks like? The moon is like a desert with plains, mountains, and valleys. It has no air to breathe. The moon travels around the Earth in an oval-shaped orbit. Okay, moving on to the other part of the solar system, we also have asteroids, meteor, and comet in our solar system. This is the asteroid. Asteroids are rocky objects that orbit the sun. They have irregular shape. Worry not, asteroid does not wander in the solar system. Instead, they move in asteroid belt. Next, we have the meteor. We call it the shooting star. Yes, this is the one that we make wish when it comes across the earth. They are actually small pieces of rock and debris atmosphere that enter the earth. Okay kids, look at this pretty creature. It is the comet. Comet is actually a frozen leftover from the formation of the solar system composed of dust, rocks, and ice.
It is the icy bodies in the space that release gas or dust. Oh yeah, they also orbit the sun. Did you know the difference between comet and meteor? I bet you are very curious regarding the difference between these two. Okay, let me share with you. If a meteorite comes close enough to the Earth and enter the Earth's atmosphere, it will vaporize and turn into a meteor, which is a streak of light in the sky. Meanwhile, the comet orbits the sun like an asteroid. And the comet is made of ice and dust, not rock. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you enjoy and gain a lot of interesting knowledge by watching our video. Now you know about our solar system. See you in the next video. Bye bye.